Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Classroom for assigning a job to the students and also how the students will submit their assignment to the same. First we have to go to Google Apps here, then click on Classroom. I'm using as a teacher here. So already in the previous video we have done a Google Classroom with Civil Engineering third year. I'll click on this, and when I click on this we have something here, share something with your class. Yes, let's share something with our class. All the students are hereby informed that the classwork will not run for today. So this is something sharing with the students in the form of a circular or a message. So if you want to add some attachment for this as a proof, you can add by using Google Drive, link, file, and also YouTube. So as we have here, all the students are hereby informed that the classwork will not run for today. That means it is something like circular, so you can add using some file. So without adding, I am posting it. Yes, I have posted it. And how can students see this message? They can see using Google Classroom app or also through his or her mail ID. So when I open this, and this is students Gmail account. Yes, this is the message which I have recently typed in the teachers account, Google account. So here, this now all the students are hereby informed that the classwork will not run for today. This is how students get messages like this. So going to other account, that is teachers account. So I am going to classwork here again. I'll create an assignment. Click on create. So here we can give assignments and also here quiz assignments. So when we type quiz assignment here, when we click on quiz assignment, a Google form will be generated where we have to start a quiz and send the link to the students. So this is question and this is posting a material and reusing the same post. And here when we come to assignment, click on assignment, and here you can give assignment number 2. These instructions are optional. Yes, let me add. Otherwise, solve a problem from 2-inch arches which is taught in today's class. Yes, without adding any attachment here, I am just giving the assignment as an instruction. Yes, for that we have assigned some 100 points. Let me assign 5 points for this. Yes, here I'll be giving a due date, say some 3 days. Yes, time is optional, that's our choice. And topic, there is no topic. This is just, so this is regarding 2-inch arches. Already we have typed here. Again I am clicking on 2-inch arches here. Yes, and what is the rubric here? So when we add rubric, the student will write or type the assignment in a systematic manner. For that, click on rubric once here. You have to create a rubric. So first please turn off this use scoring. Yes, any point values you added will be permanently deleted. I haven't added anyone. Let's click on turn off. So criterion title. So what is the criterion title? This is nothing but evaluation. So what we are writing here, the student will be able to see when we are sending. So rubric is nothing but the criterion title we have written here is evaluation. So in the description, please follow the below instructions for scoring good marks. So here level title, you can write it as excellent. So description, when a full problem is solved. So when a full problem is solved, that the title is an excellent. Here this is average. When a partial problem is solved, that can be treated as an average. Next, add a level again, poor. When nothing is solved, that is treated as an average. This is for what? This is for evaluation. So for evaluation, how the student must know how the paper is evaluated or the assignment is evaluated. So our criterion title is evaluation. So what is the description? I didn't write any description, but I have written the description that please follow the below instructions for scoring good marks. So what are the instructions? This is excellent. A student's assignment is treated as excellent when a full problem is solved by him and submitted in the form of an assignment, and it is treated as an average when a partial problem is solved, and it is poor when nothing is solved. So let me give scoring for that. So for excellent, I'll be giving 5 out of 5, and for average I'll be giving 3 out of 5, and for poor I'll be giving 0 out of 5. So the students are able to see this criterion. So for an example, if a problem is for 20 marks, you can shuffle it as if we wish, for given data, or for writing a unit, or for writing solving a problem using formulas, and we can shuffle however we wish. But here I am, as an example, I am using a small one. So let me save this criterion. So for an example, okay, I'll add a YouTube video for solving a problem. Let me check with the title in the YouTube. No videos found with this URL. So let me have a YouTube here directly. Here we have the channel here. I have taken a channel from here. So when I click on this, I'll be getting the URL link. I'll simply copy this link and paste it here. Yes, this is the URL link which a student can be able to see, and I'll add this link here. This link is posted to the entire classroom. Here you can see, by taking help of the YouTube video, posted as an attachment. Fine. So I'll be assigning the job by clicking on assign here. Yes, I have assigned here. Yes, this is assignment number 2. Due date is July 16. So let me go to a student mail ID. Yes. Here has posted a new assignment, that is assignment number 2. Let me click on it. So here in the assignment number 2, in this manner a student can see in his Gmail ID. So this is assignment number 2. This is awarded for 5 points. And what is the question? Solve a problem for 2 hinge arches which is taught in today's class by taking help of YouTube video posted as an attachment. So when you click here, you can see the YouTube video directly. Yes, welcome to the structural analysis 2 video lecture. Yes, this is what we can see. So evaluation. So here a rubric is attached and it is regarding the evaluation. The students will be able to see, please follow the below instructions for scoring good marks. So when a full problem is solved, it is treated as excellent, as we have discussed just now, and poor and also average. Now students can understand so how a problem can be solved with that. So if he is having any personal doubt, he can ask the teacher using private comment here, and also he can solve, he can chat, or he can ask, or he can comment with his classmates by clicking here class comments. So how he will submit his assignment? He may write it on a paper and scan, or he can write it directly, or he can type in a MS Word or MS PowerPoint, or which is desired by the teacher. So here when you go to your work, we have to click on add or create. Create means you have to create at that time itself. Adding means just adding a link, or from Google Drive, a link or a Google Drive, or from file. So let me add a file from the computer. Yes, select files from your device. Yes, I'll be sending new micro syllabus to file to him. I'll upload. Yes. So I have posted in the form of a Word. The attachment is in the form of a Word. When you click on turn in, one attachment will be submitted for assignment number 2. This is assignment turn in. Yes, it has been submitted. When you click on unsubmit, the teacher cannot see the file which you have submitted. So going to the teacher's mail ID again. So let me see, has it come or not. So when you go to classwork here and click on assignment number 2, here you can see one turned in. That means one student have submitted his assignment. So let me click on that one turned in. Yes, he has given as an attachment here. So click on this attachment and see what he has submitted and give him marks. Yes, you can give him marks. Here please click on grade, that is 5 out of 5, and click on return. Student will be notified and can check any grade you have left. So I have given the grade as 5 out of 5. Please click on return. So the student will get that he has been awarded with 5 out of 5. So let me check in the student's mail ID. This is the student's mail ID again, student's Google Class. So when you click on classroom classwork in the students Google Classroom. So assignment number 2, when you click here, when you click view your work, so this is the students classroom again. So you have to go to classwork, and as you have done a work, so what work you have done, please view your work here. And in assignment 2 you have been awarded with 5/5 grade. So this is how a student can submit his assignment to the class teacher, and the teacher will award the marks to the students, and students can view his or her marks. Thank you for listening the video.